There we go. There we go. Oh, one more. Good.
I didn't have a big event or story to tell you when I first came in. I just had pain for about a month in my lower back, and then I thought it would fade and it didn't, so I came in.
Fantastic. How are you holding up today?
Good. Really
Good? You ready to get adjusted?
Mm-hmm.
By the way, nothing funny going on in the legs or anything like that? All right, jump on. Let's get you stretching. These things are still protecting you just a little bit, huh?
What?
They're still protecting you a little bit. They're a little tight right there.
Oh yeah, I got stiff.
I'm just gonna loosen it up just a little bit, okay? Alright, my friend. Let's adjust it. Go ahead, relax those arms. And sink right in here. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Good. One more. And last one. There we go. I'm going to adjust this called the CT area. Go and grab your head. And go to the side. And there we go. And same thing on the other side. Oh, that's fantastic. There we go. All the way inside. There we go. Wow, everything moving so well. I love it. And all the way towards me, please. Good. So we go right in your back. And just your neck. Good. And same thing on the other side. One more. Good. And give a good pull. All right. One more. There we go. Fantastic. Oh, one more. Good. All right, my friend, let's have you sit up. Go ahead and move around. See how you feel. Do we need to address anything else?
No.
All right, fantastic. Easy enough. All right. Well, in that case, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
All right.